We're going to show you how to reset the Samsung Z Flip 3 phone back to factory defaults, or simply to reset some of the settings. To do that, first we need to go to Settings. Under General Management, you can see that there's a Reset menu. Select that. So we can reset all settings, reset network settings, or even reset accessibility settings. And if you need to wipe the phone itself, there's also a factory data reset. So be very sure that is what you want to do if you want to select the factory data reset, because it will erase all data including the files and downloaded apps. So for reset all settings, these are the settings that will be reset on your phone, except the security settings, language settings, account, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. For reset network, it will reset all network settings for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. For accessibility settings, related settings such as keyboard and font size won't be reset. Accessibility settings in downloaded apps won't be changed. Your personal data won't be affected. It will only reset the accessibility settings. Finally, for factory data reset, this will typically wipe out your entire phone. And these are all the apps that will be uninstalled. When you tap on Reset, you need to enter your current PIN. This is to prevent unauthorized reset. Once you key in your PIN, there's a final warning here for factory data reset. So be very sure that is what you want to do before you select Delete All. And so, this is how you do a reset for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 phone.